In this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to change your date of birth on NIN, how you are going to change your name on NIN, how you are going to change your phone number on NIN using your smartphone. So if you have any problem of changing of name, changing of date of birth, changing of phone number on your NIN, I'm going to show you from beginning to the end how you are going to do it with your smartphone. In this video, I'm going to show you everything. So make sure you watch this video to the end because this video will be a little long because I'm going to explain everything to you. Practically tutorial, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this video from beginning to the end without skipping any part. So make sure you watch this video to the end. And don't forget to also share so that more people are going to benefit from this video. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started.
So to get started, the first thing you are going to do is to enter your Google Chrome. You enter your Google Chrome, and when you enter your Google Chrome, then you enter Google. You search for Google. You log into Google like this. Now on Google, you search for NIN modification. That is what you are going to search for. Now, when you search for NIN modification, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, you see this first one here that says National Identity Management Commission. As you can see, the domain here, this first one that is here, then you now tap on it. You tap on it like this. Now, when you tap on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. So when it brings you to an interface like this, the next thing you are going to do is to click on register. If you have not registered on this platform before, but if you know that you have registered before, maybe you try to change your name and those things, make sure you click on login if you have registered before. But if you have not registered before, all you have to do is just to click on register. So let me show you guys how you are going to register everything right now. So if you have an account before, you just log in. And if you don't have an account, you register a fresh account. So now let's click on register. Now when you click on register, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where it will ask you to fill all this information. So you need to fill all this information, your first name, your last name, your middle name, and your phone number. Make sure you fill all information according to the way it is on your NIN. Make sure you fill everything. After you fill it, you click on next and it will bring you to an interface like this. Now, you read this, it says, attention, kindly note that your face will be captured for further validations, and you click on continue after you successfully agree that yes, they are going to capture your face. So you should be ready for that because they need to verify that yes, it is you that owns the account. So they need to verify. So you need to capture your face. Now, when you capture your face, it will bring you to an interface like this where it will tell you to put your email address and your password. Make sure you set a password that you can remember all the time. Make sure you set a password. Then you click on validate email. Then when you click on validate email, they are going to send you a code to your number. That email address you put, they are going to send the code. Then you go and copy the code from your Gmail account and you come and put, and when immediately you put the code, it's going to bring you to an interface like this that you should put your NIN. Now, this is where you are going to provide your NIN and you click on continue. So provide your NIN and you click on continue. Make sure you are following. Now, after you successfully did everything, it will bring you back here and you click on login this time. Now, the email address you used to register now and your password, make sure you fill everything here. Now, fill everything and you click on login. So make sure you don't forget to save your password and email address. Now, you click on login. Now, when you click on login, it's going to process, as you can see, process data. Now, as you can see, process to validate your face. They have to verify your face again for the second time. As you can see, verify your face for the second time. So you have to verify your face. Make sure you guys are following very well. Now, you click on verify your face. And when you click on verify your face, it's going to take you to an interface where you are going to take picture of yourself. Make sure you look for clear background, not place that is boring, place that is noisy. No, place that you stay alone. If possible, stay in your room behind the window. Now, it's processing. Now, I've done everything. I've taken the picture of myself, everything. Now, after I successfully take the picture, it will bring you to an interface like this where you are going to see everything about your NIN, all your information about your NIN. Now, as you can see, at the time of making this video, this is the amount you will see that you are going to change all your modification, like adult modification, all your modification, like your name, date of birth, your address, everything. You are going to see them just the way you are seeing it right now on this video. So after you see everything, make sure you click on the one you want to change the name. If you want to change the one you want to change, sorry, if it is the name you want to change, you click on that one. If it is address, you click on that one. For example, let me search example of name. Now let's tap on name. Now before that, let me even explain things much better for you, but don't worry, I'm going to explain as we move on. Let's just check and try to change our name and our phone number. As you can see, phone number, you can also change it, or you can change your date of birth, and you are going to see all the amount you are going to be charged to change all these things. As you can see, the date of birth, you are going to be charged 29,000 plus, but the rest are 2,013 naira. So after you check the amount and you are okay with everything, so you select the one you want to change. For example, I want to change a name. Now after I select, you click on continue, and as you can see, it says processing data. So select the one you want to change, and it will bring you to an interface like this, and you are expected to read everything here. As you can see, users are not allowed to use their device on behalf of others. So don't say you are doing it for somebody or somebody should do it for you. No, you are going to do it by yourself with your device. Don't say you are logging in with somebody's phone. No, you must do it with your phone. After that, you read everything, you click on this box, and you are going to click on this continue you are seeing below here. Please be warned, use your phone. Don't use other people's phone, or don't give your information to people. Click continue, and as you can see, say change of name can be done. So you also have to read everything that you are going to see here. Read everything from beginning to the end. Read so that you understand. Then you click on I understand after you successfully read everything. Now when you click on I understand, it will bring you to an interface like this where you are going to make the payment. Now the payment you are making here, if you have not made payment before, you click on new payment, and it will ask you, are you doing offline payment or online payment? Click on online payment. Now when you click on online payment, it's going to bring you to an interface like this where you start your processing of payment. Now as you can see, it will bring card payment, USDT, internet payment, or bank payment. Make sure you use bank in card payment. That is the first one, because there will be some charges there they are going to charge you. But if you say if you transfer the money to them, if you transfer the money may not be enough. But just give them your card detail, and they are going to withdraw the money they need to withdraw to get everything done. So just allow them to withdraw the amount they will withdraw. The charges is not up to 100 naira or 50 naira or something like that, but they are going to add it to the money you are expected to pay earlier. That is why you are supposed to use your card. So don't say you are doing bank transfer or you are using USCC code or something like that. Use your card. Your information will be saved with them, because this is the official website. So make sure you use your card. Now let me use my card, and after you successfully use your card, you make payment, and they are going to debit money, and they will take you to where you are going to put all your information. Now the information you need is your document. That is, you need to go to court and you go and get your court affidavit. From your court affidavit, you also need, if you want to change your date of birth, you need federal court affidavit also to do that. Now after you get all this information done, then that is when you proceed. Now as you can see, payment unsuccessful, and that is because I don't want to change anything right now. It's just an example that I'm just searching and show you guys how you are going to do it. So get your document ready. Go to court and get your court affidavit, and also get online and you collect your birth certificate online. That one is collected online, not the one you want to collect in the hospital. No, this one is through online on their website. I've also done video about that on my previous video. So if you ask me about the video, I'm going to show you the video so that you can watch the video and see how you are going to apply for that birth certificate that you are going to use attached to your what is it called, court affidavit. Now if you change the name or date of birth and you want to verify, this is the app you need. You just get this app on your phone. Go to your Google Play Store and you get this app on your phone. Now on this app, you are going to verify if the name has been changed or not. If you successfully change your name, or you want see your name on your NIN, every information. You also want to see it again. You can go to this app, you install the app on your phone. Immediately you install the app on your phone, you click on login, and after you log in, you are going to see all your informations, your NIN, your date of birth, everything. If it is changed, you are going to see it here. Share this video.